Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. There are cars, and then there are legends. Machines that don't just move through history, they define it. The 1931 Bentley 4.5 Litre is one of those rare machines. A car born in an era when driving was dangerous. Victory was earned through courage, and only the bravest drivers dared to push machines to their limits. This is not just a vintage car. This is a symbol of power, endurance, and pure mechanical greatness. Built by the iconic British luxury manufacturer Bentley Motors, the 4.5 Litre was designed with one clear purpose: domination. During the late 1920s and early 1930s, Bentley was already famous for winning endurance races like Le Mans, but the company wanted something even more powerful, more reliable, and more capable of handling extreme conditions. The result was the Bentley 4.5 Litre, a machine that quickly became one of the most respected performance cars of its time. At the heart of the 1931 Bentley 4.5 Litre lies a massive 4.4-liter inline-four cylinder engine. This engine was enormous for its time, producing around 110 horsepower in its naturally aspirated version. While that number may sound small today, in 1931, this was serious performance. The engine delivered strong torque, allowing the car to accelerate smoothly and maintain high speeds over long distances. Some special supercharged versions, known as the famous blower Bentley, produced up to 175 horsepower, making them among the fastest cars on the road during that era. Power was delivered to the rear wheels through a 4-speed manual transmission. Driving this car required real skill. There were no electronic assists, no traction control, no automatic systems, just pure mechanical connection between the driver and the machine. Every gear shift, every acceleration, and every movement required precision and control. From the outside, the Bentley 4.5 Litre looks bold, elegant, and powerful. The long hood immediately tells you that a massive engine lies beneath. The large round headlights, exposed wheels, and upright grille give the car a commanding presence. The design is simple, but every line reflects strength and purpose. This car was built in a time when function came before decoration. The chassis was built using heavy-duty steel, making the car extremely strong and durable. This allowed it to survive long-distance endurance races and harsh road conditions. The suspension system, though basic by modern standards, was designed to absorb road imperfections and provide stability at higher speeds. Step inside and you enter a completely different world. The interior of the Bentley 4.5 Litre is pure vintage craftsmanship. The dashboard is made of real metal, featuring analog gauges that display speed, engine pressure, and fuel levels. Each gauge was carefully designed and built with precision. The steering wheel is large and thin, requiring physical strength to control. There's no power steering. The driver feels every movement of the road directly through their hands.